Back again. I wanted to show you that to the left you see my 32-foot trailer, the one I put in front of the house when we first moved up here. And to the right it's that, I don't know, it's about a 55 foot I guess, and we call that the big trailer. And over to the right of it you can see a chimney still standing there where the house finally fell slam down to the ground. And you're going to see in front of the trailer the butane tank. Then I have that 1990 Lincoln, and in front of it you see the front end of the 72 Ford. To the left of this video you see the 94 Lincoln, and behind it you see that black Mustang, 1990 black Mustang, and beside that black Mustang there's a blue 88 Mustang. You see scrap metal all around. All this stuff is gone now. Inside my house, we had family photos, furniture, beds, dishes, wood stove, my Marine Corps flag, my flags, everything's missing. All of it's gone. It's a shame. I have dogs and cats that's up under the trailer there. They're gone. They're dead. They've been killed. 27 dogs was killed. 2 cats was killed. The cats had to be awful bad to kill the cats. They was all killed within 14 days of seizing them. See, they seized all this property. I was told when the chief deputy of the Lauderdale County Sheriff's Department came and stood there with a drove of deputies in front of my house with 10, 15 deputies at my door, jerking my door open. He ripped my door off just about and came in and arrested me for disorderly conduct and resisting arrest because I dared to have my door locked and quote my constitutional rights. I guess I deserved it, I reckon, to think that I'd lived in a state that I have constitutional rights, that I have rights to due process. There is no such thing as due process when officers of the law can do this and hide behind a badge. There is no use in thinking you have constitutional rights when an officer of the court can tell lies in affidavits and on the stand, and the judge then will say, I don't think he's lying because he's an officer of the court. Don't tell me there's a such thing as constitutional rights. When I ask for a court-appointed attorney, and they tell me you're not entitled to one. And I ask for a jury trial, you're not entitled to one. I ask for a court reporter, you're not entitled to one. I ask, is these 2 charges considered criminal charges at both of them that I want to be indicted before the grand jury? I was not read my rights when I was arrested. I did not know what I was being arrested for until after I was in jail. After I done had a heart attack that night, carried to the doctor, after I'd laid on the floor for hours. I guess it went into the second shift, and somebody didn't know that I wasn't supposed to die, that I was supposed to die on the floor, and they seen something was wrong, and they called the ambulance. So, use your own judgment. Do we have constitutional rights, or is it just for some and not for all? Do you have to pay for your constitutional rights? Are you born with constitutional rights, or is it a dollar bill? Depends on how much money you have to get your rights. Well, if there's a lawyer out there, or a group of people that don't think this is right, I need help. I'm facing to go back to court again on April the 25th. I don't have a lawyer. I'm not entitled to a lawyer. Don't have a jury trial. I'm not entitled to a jury trial. I need help. And I need it now, and I need to get this out, and I need it to go viral. I need every TV station to play it. I need every radio station talking about it. This needs to go all around the world. I mean, it's time to put an end to this corruption in court. See, it don't matter to me anymore because I got congestive heart failure and cancer and everything, and I'm not going to be here much longer anyway. I want to do this so nobody else would face what I faced. To watch your wife cry on a daily basis because you lost everything. To know that your dogs is gone, your cats are gone, and you no longer can hold any of them. Anybody out there that don't think this is right, please help me. I need your help, and I need it now. I'll catch you in the next video. All right, bye.